Well, hello everybody. This is Alan Downs with Insider Media LLC. I am one of the founders and owners of the company, as well as my other partner, Pat Howlett. We are a web technology company based out of Cary, North Carolina, as you can see down here, and basically that's a suburb, if you will, of the Raleigh, North Carolina area. We provide basically web technology types of services for small businesses to reach out to their consumers. And the two that we primarily focus on are our web actors, which I'll talk about at some other time, but our core business is our local search engines. We basically, at this time, own practically all of the area codes across the United States with the name inside and then your area code. And again, since we are based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, the one that we have going right now that we is really the only one that's out there running is inside 919.com, again in the Raleigh, North Carolina area. So that's what I want to do right now in this little video tutorial, is just to show you the website inside919.com. And again, it's 919 because that's the area code in Raleigh, North Carolina. And again, it's just it looks like your typical search engine, but we truly believe that it provides the best search results in the local market, bar none, of any search engine that you're going to be able to find. One of the things that we do is that we basically are guaranteeing you that we're taking care of the geography for you, so that you don't get a lot of the noise that you may get with other search engines. That when you type real estate in Inside 919, you're guaranteed that the businesses that you see over here in our search results are businesses that actually have offices or at least area or phone numbers in the 919 area code. So that saves you as a consumer a whole lot of time and having to sift through websites. If you'll also notice that we pretty much will only index one page per URL. So you're not going to get a lot of this indented kind of stuff where you may get keywords off of multiple pages on a particular business's website. Again, we consider that noise and really not worth the time of the consumer when they're really wanting to come in here and find great results for what they're searching for. So again, this is our search results page right now. I typed in real estate, so I've got all these businesses here. What we also do is when you hover over one of the websites, you will see that we give you a quick little preview of the actual site itself. And so this is a site, MickeyHowlett.com, and she's a real estate agent with KB Homes here in the Raleigh, North Carolina area. She's actually in Durham. So there's that. Another thing that we do is that we randomize the results that you see here for businesses at the same level, and we have multiple levels in our results, and I'll get into that into another video as well. But the point is our core of Insider Media's business philosophy is making it fair for small businesses. So to do that, we try to give everybody a shot at coming up to the top. So let's just do another one fun. Let's just do restaurants. So here's some restaurants that we have in here right now. Currently we have about 1,700 businesses that are listed within the 919 area code for our search engine. But here you see at the top, Spanky's Restaurants, Kinky Japanese, Seafood Restaurant. What I want to do is I want to type restaurant again. And we probably will at least see these first few change. Yeah, see how they've changed? So what we've done is all these businesses basically are at the same level. They are what we have considered at our general level of search results. And we randomize within the level that you exist to give everybody a fair shot to come to the top here. Again, core to our business is trying to make it fair. So so this is our search results. You can go to these websites, once you hover over them, and you can see what they look like, and you can go to them. Let's try another one, because I want to show you an additional feature that we have added to all of our search engines that make it more enticing for the consumers to come to our site, as well as for the business owners. So let's just type business networking. Okay, here you see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got four businesses there would be considered into the business of networking. But if you notice the top one up here, the BNC, they have an additional link out here called Check Insider Deal. This is basically our version of an e-coupon that the consumer can print out and take to the business. So the BNC here, the Business Networking Center, is giving away their wine and coffee gift baskets, which normally they charge out at $70 a piece and $35 if someone brings in this deal. So the consumer, all they have to do is print this out and take that into the BNC, and it's valid through 8/9/2007. Now again, my point that I want to make here is two, really. One is that creating this insider deal from the advertiser's point of view was totally at no charge. They have no charge of doing this. They can create it, they can turn it on and off anytime they want, as well as going in and updating it. So it's an electronic mechanism for them to create deals and be able to put them out there to their consumer base at any time they want. And the second thing that it does is it basically anybody who creates an insider deal with us bumps up to a next level within our search results, which we call bronze. And so what that means is, again, as I had stated before, businesses, we try to make it fair, and so we randomize everybody. Well, we randomize everybody on the floor that they are on. And so these three down here are basically in the general level, or floor one, if you want to think about a building. And the BNC is up on the second floor. So if I typed in business networking again, if I can type. So if you notice right now, the BNC is at the top, it's triangle North Carolina, and then the triangle BNI. If I do a search again, well, that was back center. Again, this is it's randomized, so I can't guarantee that it's always going to change on you. But the point is, if we do this a couple of times, did it change? Again, there's only 3 of them here, so the randomization, it may not always work. Okay, I think that did change that time. But the point is when the results gets larger, we're doing the best we can to make it fair to the business owner. And again, this insider deal that you're able to create as an advertiser on Inside 919's website is totally at no charge to you. And it can run up to 2 weeks, and all you need to do to extend it is simply go back into the back office and update it yourself, and that's it. So we're trying to give the best value we can to the businesses in our local community so that they can keep in contact with their consumers, and we're trying to do what we can to help the consumers find great deals within their community so that they can patronize those businesses. So again, this is Alan Downs with Insider Media LLC, and I will be talking to you later. I'm going to put another video out here real soon about the steps that it involves for a business to become an advertiser on inside919.com. And again, it takes about 5 minutes or so to do that. So again, thank you very much. This is Alan Downs, and everybody, you have a great day. Bye.